Still on permutation, we are still picking some questions, random questions on factorial. So if 1 on 8 factorial plus 1 on 9 factorial equals to x on 10 factorial, we have to find the value of x. Here we have to just apply the concept of factorial. So in this case, what do? We are going to apply the concept of factorial. Remember that if I have 8 factorial, it will be 8 times 7 times 6 factorial as it continues. If I have 9, that will also be 9 times 8 if I like factorial. 10 factorial will also be 10 times 9 times what? 8 factorial. So you can see that within the 10 factorial, we have 8 factorial. Within the 9 factorial, we have 8 factorial. So it means the whole of this is embedded in all of them. So I'll maintain this as in 1 on 8 factorial plus 1 on 9 times 8 factorial equals to x on 10, 9, and what? 8 factorial. So I can see 8 factorial being a common factor. So we multiply through by 8 factorial. Simply put, if you multiply here by 8 factorial, it should be 8 factorial times 1 on 8 factorial plus 8 times 1 on 9 8 factorial, 8 factorial times x, 10, 9, and what? 8 factorial. What do you think will happen? The 8 factorial will cancel themselves. So check from here, 8 factorial cancel 8 factorial, give you only 1. 8 factorial cancel to give you 1 on 9. 8 factorial cancel this, giving you x on 10 times what? 9. So fast forward 1 on 9, x on what? 90. This is a fraction, denominator of what? 90. So we multiply. If you multiply through by 90, here will become 90 times 1, 90 times 1 on 9, 90 times what? X on 90. So you can see 90 will cancel. This will go here. That will be 10 times, right? Good. So as we have 90 plus 10 equals what? X. That makes it 100 equals what? So here we just say, therefore, the value of x is going to be 100. So it means if this is 100 and you expand this to the fullest, you'll be having the left equals to what? The right hand side. This is just to appreciate the factorial that we've done in the first episode. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.